In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change images in Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to replace an image like a logo inside your project using the built-in assistant with a clean, reliable workflow. Start on the Lovable Home dashboard. This is your central hub where all your projects live. Make sure you're signed in and on the main dashboard view so you can see navigation options and recent activity for quick access. Next, open the All Projects section. This view lists everything you're working on, which is especially helpful if you manage multiple apps. If you have a lot of items, take a second to visually scan for the project name and icon you recognize to avoid editing the wrong one. Select the project you want to update to open its workspace. You'll land on the project overview where you can access settings, previews, and tools. Give the page a moment to load so all controls are ready. This helps ensure your next steps are smooth. Inside the project, open Ask Lovable. This is the assistant panel that can make targeted changes to your app based on your instructions. Think of it as your co-pilot. You provide clear intent and it handles the implementation details. Keeping your request concise and specific improves results. In the assistant panel, click the plus icon and choose Attach. This opens your file picker so you can provide the exact image you want to use. For best results, select a clean final asset, ideally a PNG or SVG for logos. Use descriptive file names and keep the file size reasonable to speed up processing and previewing. After selecting your image, click Open, then type your instruction clearly. For a logo replacement, type, "Put this in the logo," and press Enter. That short direct phrasing tells the assistant both what the file is and where it belongs. If your design has variants, consider adding brief context like header logo or nav logo to reinforce placement, but keep the request simple. Watch for the assistant's confirmation and any preview it generates. If the new image appears off size, note the dimensions of your original and ensure your replacement matches the aspect ratio. This helps maintain layout integrity without extra adjustments. You can always refine your instruction in the same thread if needed. Just reference the same image and clarify the desired fit. That's the complete process. Open the dashboard, head to All Projects, pick your project, use Ask Lovable, attach the image via the plus icon, and send the instruction, "Put this in the logo." With these steps, updating images in Lovable is quick, consistent, and easy to repeat whenever your brand assets evolve.